We've been getting a lot of questions from the public about the wearing and effectiveness of cloth masks as protection from COVID-19. Please remember that wearing a cloth mask does not replace hand hygiene, physical distancing, and coughing and sneezing etiquette. Good day, how are you? Good, thank you. There we go. So who should be wearing a cloth mask? Government has stated that the wearing of a cloth face covering is mandatory in all public spaces. Who shouldn't be wearing a mask? Well, if you can't fit, adjust, or remove the mask unassisted, you shouldn't be wearing one. You'll notice that cloth masks are available in an array of shapes, sizes, and materials. So some have elastic ear loops while others have tiebacks. A cloth face covering should preferably have 2 or more layers. It should be washed at high temperatures and ironed as an additional precaution. Consider breathability, comfort, and reusability. Remember, the virus is carried in droplets from the nose and mouth, and the primary use of a cloth mask is to contain your potentially infective droplets. Always perform proper hand hygiene before fitting your mask. Take care not to touch the inside of the mask. The mask is always worn over the nose and mouth, extending under the chin. And with the mask on, you should not touch it. And if you do, you'll have to clean your hands again. It's essential that you have at least 2 masks, one on your face and a backup in case that one becomes contaminated or wet. By wearing a mask, I protect you and you protect me.